Alright, so here it is. Got the Borla exhaust for my 2020 Trail Boss 6.2 liter. The one I ended up going with, it was the 147.73, the S-Type. And this uses the factory bumper, or that just uses the factory valance. Here's the stock muffler. Basically followed the Phastek YouTube instructions, but made an additional cut on the right-hand tailpipe. Right there. Didn't use any lift at all, basically just did it on the ground. Did some of the badge delete, including on the hood. Took the Z71 and the Trail Boss off. Started it up about 15 minutes ago. We'll see if it still gives a cold start.